Freaks Ritual. I'm about to show you guys another flashlight review and disclosure. I got this light from Skybin Trade on Amazon, so this time it's not a limited edition, but it's the Olight Perun Mini. And another disclosure, I did not get the little headband because the headband is probably like this thick and the velcro is this thick, so part of the velcro is going to be on your forehead and it's going to be kind of annoying for me, so I really didn't want to get it. I ended up getting this, so it might be kind of weird for me to wear hats because I don't really wear hats, but it's just I'd rather have this than the headband. Hold on, guys. But anyways, and another disclosure is I don't know what type of LED this is. So for all these new lights that's been coming out, it doesn't say it. So Olight needs to put that type of LED on the box, because I like to tell you guys. I reached out to Olight, I didn't get a response. So if I do get one, I'm gonna put it in somewhere on the screen. But anyways, let's do this review. Going to the tabletop. Be right back. What's up, YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. I'm about to show you guys another video or flashlight review. We're gonna check out the Olight Perun Mini. It's a little EDC light. It's good for, I would say it's a good backup light. I want to carry this as your main light because runtime isn't so great if you're somewhere deep in the woods. It's good for camping, but make sure you charge it or bring a power bank. But you get your 5-year warranty as promised. This is what the box looks like. Alright, let's just take a look at the back, the runtime and the output. Alright, 1000 lumens for 1 minute, and it drops to 250 lumens because this is a tiny light. You don't want to hurt the internals. But anyways, 250 lumens for 85 minutes. Let's bring it up closer. High is 250 lumens for 98 minutes. Medium is 65 lumens for 6 hours. Low is 15 lumens for 25 hours. Moonlight is 2 lumens for 4.5 days. I don't know the type of LED this is. I think it's an OSRAM. A lot of the new lights is carrying that LED. It does take a IMR 16340 rechargeable lithium battery. It's a really decent, pretty good EDC light. It is a right angle. It doesn't shoot out a tight beam. It's all flood. And you could use it for mechanic work, electricians, medic, anything you want. But make sure this ain't your main light. This is your backup light. Alright, just being honest, but it is a dope light. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. That's how a lot of Olights are now. Comes with this, directions, and this one comes with the patch. I didn't get the headband because the headband isn't big enough. But anyways, I'll tell you that in a minute. You get this, of course. You get your manual. We ain't looking at that because it's pretty simple. You get your patch. I'll show you that in a minute. You get your lanyard. You get this. I didn't know what this was for, but I think it's for your lanyard. So it makes it easier for you to tie it up on. And then you get your magnetic charging cable. A lot of people don't like this because of the type of battery, and you can't charge it with any battery. But I like it. You just need a Olight battery. Alright, so let's take a look at the light. This is the light. I'm going to show you this afterwards, because I didn't get the headband because, alright, let's see this. Headband is a little smaller than this. It's not as wide as this, so when you stick it on, part of this would be on your head. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get a hat. So let's just take a look at the light real quick. This is what it is. We got some pretty aggressive knurling. You get a dual clip. Remember, I don't know what type of LED this is. If I find out, I will put it on the screen. I think it's a Osram LED or P9 or something like that, but I'm not sure. So you get your Olight blue. It's a really pretty cool light. Alright, you hold this, you hold the button as you do the user interface. You're in lockout mode, so if you have this in your pocket, you're good to go. Just make sure you have nothing metal in your pocket with this light, because everything's going to stick to it. Alright, hold it again, you get out of lockout mode. And right now you're on moonlight, so you just hold it and cycle through the modes. How simple is that? Double tap for turbo, once for off, yeah, there's mode memory, of course, guitar stand, triple tap for your SOS. Alright, so there you go. It's simple as that. It's very simple light. So let me show you what the battery looks like. It's a 16340. The little Olight special batteries. See that? Not a lot of people like that, but whatever. I like it. But that's it. It's 550 milliamp hours. It's not a lot. That's why the runtime isn't so great, but whatever. And if you want to pause that, there you go. Battery safety. Alright, here's the head of the light. That's what that looks like. Inside of this is another spring. It's kind of hard to see, but it's nothing much to this light. Barrel quality is really good. You get an optic lens and you get a diffuser. So it's pretty cool. Again, I'll just show you what it looks like. There you go. I'll be back. I'm going to show you beam shot footage, but I'm going to show you... Oh, you know what? I forgot to show you to charge it, and I'm going to show you some size comparisons with other lights. Alright. The charging thing. Charging cable. See how it's green? It's going to turn red. There you go, it's red. Alright. So when it's charged, it's going to turn to green. Simple as that. I got a power bank here. So there you go. Very simple. Alright. It is magnetic. There you go. Simple. Size comparison. Move this out of the way. That's with the Leatherman Wave. Let's move this. This is the S Mini Baton. That's size comparison. Almost the same size. Only reason why it's a little bigger is because there's a switch. And this one has a side switch. So that's why this one's smaller. Next one is the S2R Baton 2. Size comparison. S30R Baton 3. Alright. Check out the i5T. Size comparison. Olight Sequel 2 Pro. Really good light. Gotta get it. Another good light. Odin. If you're into weapons and stuff like that, there you go. But all the build qualities in Olights I'm impressed with. Alright, let's see what else we have here. There's their AAA light. This is the UV one, I think. The i3 UV EOS. But size comparison, there you go. I'll be back. I'm going to show you the hat. Be right back. Oh, beam shots. Might do a water test, but of course it's IPX8 rating. Hold on, I forgot to tell you it's 100 meters beam distance, and the candela is 2,500 candela. So, all right, be right back. All right, guys, I'm about to show you guys the hat. Just a hat with a patch thing on it. So I'm going to show you this. It's still brand new. I haven't used it yet. But this is the... Hold on, guys. Stick it on your hat. There you go. That's how it looks. I don't wear hats like that. And that's just how it looks. Ooh. Oh, I think I just unscrewed the head. Alright, there you go. So there you go. If you don't want to blind your friends, you lift it up. And you bring it back down. That's how that looks. It's a little weird, but you'll get used to it. And again, they have shirts with patches here. You could patch it to your shirt, or if you have a book bag, you could patch it to your book bag. It's a very simple thing. But anyways, I'll be right back with the beam shot footage. Be right back. Peace. Alright, guys. I already did this video. Trying to do beam shot footage of the Olight Perun Mini, and I didn't like how it looked because there's too much light. Right now we're in total darkness, so it's gonna give you a better view on how this is gonna look. Alright, here we go. Perun Mini. Right now I'm in the moonlight mode. Can't really see nothing. This is low. Hold on, guys. Autofocus always acts up at night. I noticed that. Hold on. Alright, this is gonna be better. Alright, well, right now we're low. No, this might be low. This is high. Well, that was medium. This is high. I think this is 250 lumens. So it gives off somewhat kind of nice little light. Alright, I'm going to boost it up to turbo. There you go. It's 1000 lumens for this little itty bitty thing. So it's worth it. It will drop when it gets too hot. Whoa! I don't know what the hell that was. That wasn't no butterfly. Alright, I'm gonna set this up. Give you a little view on me walking. Hold on, guys. Hold on, let me fix the... I'm gonna fix this real quick. Straighten it out. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to push it up to turbo and I'm just going to walk so you can see an idea of how it will look. Sure if you saw me or if I was in frame. Let me see. Yeah, I was in frame. But that's how it looks. It did drop down. But for this itty bitty light, it gives off some good light. And remember, keep this as your backup light, not your main light. You need something with longer runtime. Now I'm going to walk with it real quick. did drop, I think. Right now it's at 250. So I'm gonna push it back up to turbo. No, I think that what is turbo. Yeah, it was turbo. Alright guys, that was the beam shot footage of the Olight Perun Mini. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. So until next time, peace.